Moses' Mailbag.
Hi, welcome to the Mailbag. I just went to the fridge for a cold Northeast IPA from Floral Hall Brewing in Ottawa, and now I'm ready to answer your questions. Tonight's question comes from Jill in Waterloo. She writes, "My son is a huge fan and wants to compete in the social distance beer pong world championship one day. What advice can you give him?" Great question, Jill, and thanks for writing. The most important thing that anyone who wants to excel in something can do is practice. And in this case, it's going to mean getting balls into your hands. Okay, start with one ball, work your way up to two. Okay, practice the feel, the rotation in your hands. What's the texture? What's the weight? Hey, you can even figure out what the smell is. Just keep your balls in the hands. Okay, and here's one of my personal favorite ways to keep your hands on your balls. Take as many balls as you can fit. Just fill up your pockets. And wherever you go, walking down the street, hanging out with friends, you can just be playing with your balls on the go. When you're finished playing with your balls, you've got to clean them up. A worst case scenario is you leave it on the floor, you leave it on the couch, and someone comes along and steps right on your ball. Thanks for your question, Jill. I hope that helped. If anyone else out there has questions, hit me up on Twitter, and you can find yourself on the Mailbag.